In this video, I will show you how to make a college video on Instagram. So to do that, now after you open your Instagram app like this, all you have to do now, tap on this plus button at the middle of your Instagram. After you tap on this plus button, now you can go ahead to create on your Instagram story or on your Instagram reels. For me, I will use Instagram reels. After you tap on this Instagram reel, so tap on this, as you can see now, just swipe it to button like this. After you swipe it to button like this, now tap on this collect session, this grid. Tap on this grid icon. So now after you tap on this grid icon, as you can see now it gives me these two collection. As you can see now, here is the first one and here is the second one. So if you want to change to another one, tap on this button. So as you can see now it gives you, as you can see now three options. As you can see, you can tap on this one or this one, but for me I'll just use like this two one, the second one, this one. So now if you want to just record the first video, or if you want to upload, just tap on this gallery button to upload the video from this session, or you can tap on this camera icon to record the video. So let's say I want to record this box, and tap on this camera icon to record the video, this one. See now it's recording. So now it recorded my video, as you can see now. Button. So now I recorded this video. So now if you want to add the second section, as you can see now, here is second section. So tap on this plus button. I'll tap on this plus icon to upload a video. So I'll just go ahead into my phone and upload a video for it. So I'll just go and search for some video or a picture. You can add a picture as well. So I'll just tap on this section. So let's say I want to use this video. After you select the video, as you can see now, here is the video that I recorded and here is the video that I uploaded. So tap on this save button to save it. Now allow it to finish loading. As you can see now, it's loading. So after it finished loading, now tap on this next button. So as you can see now, here is your video. Here is the video that you uploaded and here is the one that you just recorded. So you can add picture as well, or you can add anything. So now you can go ahead and edit your video. After I finish editing your video, tap on this next button. So now you can go ahead and upload your video on your Instagram reel, and you can create it on your Instagram story as well. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.